Oh my god, she's so rich in fidgets. All I've got are a measly 3. Excuse me, can I offer?
Sure.
Awesome.
What do you want to offer?
I'll trade my rainbow unicorn puppet.
Okay, I'll trade this.
Okay, deal.
You have to add one more thing, please.
Wait, what?
Just one. This is
Okay,
really
fine.
good.
She's gonna have so many fidgets. I definitely gotta get more. Smiley, you wanna be traded?
No.
I guess so.
It's my turn. What do I want to trade? I'll trade with this unicorn.
I'll trade this, but you're gonna have to add something small like a mochi.
Sure, mochi.
Okay, deal.
Deal.